Hello and welcome. In this math tutorial, our task is to find the real values of x that satisfy this equation. Now, to solve this problem, we are going to start with a substitution. To avoid this cubic expansion, let x minus 3 be equal to the letter d. And of course, you know that when we add 3 to both sides of this equation, we have that x is equal to d plus 3. Now we can rewrite the original equation. Of course, this is now d. So we have d cubed minus half times x is d plus 3 minus 2 squared plus 1 over 3 times d plus 3 minus 1, and this is equal to 0. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So we have d cubed minus half d plus 1 squared plus 1 over 3 d plus 2 is equal to 0. Next, let us take care of these fractions. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So we are going to multiply through this equation by 6. Now d cubed times 6, of course, is 6d cubed. Half times 6 is 3. So this is 3 times d plus 1 squared. 1 over 3 times 6 is 2. So here we have 2 times d plus 2, and this is equal to 0. Now let us do this expansion. We have 6d cubed minus 3 times d squared plus 2 times d times 1, which of course is equal to 2d. Then plus 1 squared, which is 1, plus 2 times d plus 2, and of course this is equal to 0. Now opening the brackets, we have 6d cubed minus 3d squared minus 3 times plus 2d is going to give us minus 6d. Minus 3 times 1 is minus 3 plus 2d plus 4 is equal to 0. And from here we have 6d cubed minus 3d squared minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. So we have minus 4d. Minus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1. So we have plus 1, and this is equal to 0. Now look at this cubic equation. Observe that when d is equal to 1, the left-hand side of this cubic is equal to 0 because we have 6 minus 3 minus 4 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Minus 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. And of course, 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, this means that d minus 1 is a factor of this cubic. So we can factorize this cubic expression by dividing it with d minus 1. And to do this, we are going to use the synthetic division method. The coefficient of d cubed is 6. The coefficient of d squared is minus 3. The coefficient of d is minus 4. And the constant term is 1. And of course, we are dividing by 1. You bring down 6. 1 times 6 is equal to 6. Minus 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. 1 times minus 1 is equal to minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So that means that when we factorize this cubic, we have d minus 1 multiplied by 6d squared plus 3d minus 1. And of course, this is equal to 0. Of course, from the linear factor, we already have that d is equal to 1. The final thing we have to do is to solve this quadratic equation to find the other two values of d. We have 6d squared plus 3d minus 1 is equal to 0. Now, we cannot solve this quadratic equation by factorization, so let us use the quadratic formula. We have that d is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Now, here we have minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared, which is 9, minus 4 times a is 6, and c is minus 1, divided by 2 times a, which is equal to 6. Now, this is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 4 times minus 6 is plus 24, divided by 2 times 6, which is equal to 12. And from here, we have two more values for d. We have minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 33 divided by 12. And now that we have all three values of d, to find the values of x, we go back to this substitution equation. When d is equal to 1, x is going to be equal to 1 plus 3, which is 4. When d is equal to this, then x is going to be equal to 3 plus minus 3 plus or minus root 33 divided by 12. Now, from here, we have 12 times 3, which is equal to 36, minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 33 divided by 12. Now, 36 minus 3 is equal to 33. So we have 33 plus or minus the square root of 33 divided by 12. So we have all three values of x that satisfy this equation. And with that, we come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If you enjoy such content, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us a like to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and you can see more tutorials here.